Now, the first time that you link the base unit to a screen, you will see this black screen, which reminds you to do this minimal configuration and the registration part. How do you get to this minimal configuration? But there are two ways. There is an internal IP address, and there is also, if you have linked the base unit, you get an IP address of the DHCP server of your network. And it's, of course, easy to go there. We will do that in a minute. The standard one is 192.168.2.1. To go there, you, of course, need to connect. I'm doing this here live. You need to connect, for example, to your ClickShare. You can see the name of your ClickShare on the wallpaper itself, or you can look at the back of your base unit. You will also see the name over there. You connect to the Wi-Fi access point. You log in with password ClickShare without capitals, and then you can browse in Chrome or another browser to the IP address 192.168.2.1, and then you will enter this minimal configuration wizard. So I'm going to do this, but I have connected the base unit to the network. So I got this IP address here from the DHCP server of the network. And the first time, if you start it up, you will get a 7-step wizard. Nothing too difficult about it, but it's really good practice to perform this upfront before you go to the end customer.